Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic scanner. This week, what I have seen, there was no some kind of a bad pattern formed on the chart that are in line with the trend, and this is something that I have shared inside the Telegram group with the traders. Inside the Harmonic scanner, we can see that we have a chart where we can select the symbol which we would like to have, and then we have here a small window that is showing us which patterns has been formed on the currently gold on the 4-hour time frame. Now, if you would like to check one of these, for example, if you would like to check the bad pattern, you can click on it or hide it, show it to see more details. What is the entry level, what is the stop loss, what is the take profit 1, and also what is the take profit 2. So this is a way where you can see the details, or you can see also here potential reversal zone, which is between, this is the area where you can see it here, from here to here, which means 2377 up to 2401. Then we have target 1, which is visible here. Then we have target 2, which is visible here with the green line. We have a stop loss, which is a red line, and then we have risk to reward. And then risk to reward is if you enter here at this level, 2401, it will be 3.72, and that means the risk is 1, and then you get reward 3.72 against the risk, which is a great information currently. After the Harmonic scanner, Harmonic scanner has defined and find this bad pattern on the chart, he sends me a notification over the Telegram, and here we have a notification window where we can select which symbols we would like to watch. For example, it is a bad pattern currently selected, and I would like to have 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame detected on the chart. Here inside the watch list, you can select Forex Major, Forex Minor, and you have all the symbols visible here that the scanner is tracking. So for example, if you would like to add some of new patterns, for example, if you would like to add a crypto, you can select the BTC against USD, and then it will be shown here which is available. Currently, I already have some of symbols visible here. For example, IOTA against BTC, it is tracked here, and several of other symbols has been tracked also here. So if I would like select BTC USD, it will be on my watch list. We can see it here, and when there is a pattern detected, and that means bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, it will be listed here. So for example, currently we have here gold against US dollar. It is a bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame. When you click on it, the scanner will return you back here on the chart and show you all these details. Visible also here inside the small window. If you would like to get back here in the list, click notification here, window tab, and then select which one you would like to check. You can also see which is the reward or risk. Currently, select the one that you would like, and also you can see at which time the pattern has been completed. If it is completed several days ago, for example this one, it is already probably finished, failed, or successful. And we can see here this one has been failed. Now when you have here visible all the bad patterns or other patterns, you can also select one. For example, let's check this one, gold against US dollar. It has been formed here on the chart, and it's showing potentially a reversal zone here that is pointing that the price could return back down, reaching the first support level and the first target and the second target here. The stop loss is just above this area here, which is slightly above, which could be potentially correct. Now the next step is to define, is this bad pattern in line with your analysis. It is not advisable to simply select here some kind of these patterns, for example this one, and trade as it shows here. For example, it shows that the price could retrace back down, then open sell order simply here at this potential reversal zone. Sometimes it could be okay, sometimes it could not be okay, but it is also always either better to have some kind of indicator that is showing you or making technical analysis. In my way, I always make the technical analysis that is showing me where the price could move. Usually the first step is always to define what is the trend. For example, this trend was going up, then going down, then going up, then it is moving sideways, and currently this one is showing me against the trend. So I would not trade this one because I would like also to see a pattern that is in line with the trend. So for example, let's try to find another one that is in line with the trend. This one is moving sideways, which is currently not okay. Let's go here. Let's check this one. Is this one in line with the trend? This one is showing to move to the up, but this is moving sideways, so it is not very good. Let's check the second one. This is also not making any clear trend. Let's check this one. This is the same. USD CAD. Let's check this one. This is moving sideways. It is now clear trend. Let's check this one. This is moving down and moving sideways, so it is not very good, at least for me. Then this one is showing us moving sideways. It's not very clear trend, so I would skip this one. Let's check this one. This one is moving sideways, and it was in the uptrend. Then it is some kind of this would be 50-50 at least for me, because it is a small trend. I would like to see a strong trend, for example, from here moving up, and then I would pick this one. But based on this one, we can see this one has been successful, because after the prices reached potential reversal zone, the start of this zone, the price returned and reached the first day profit and the second day profit, just because also the price was in line with the trend. So the trend was the up, and then this bad pattern is formed and showing the price could move up. So these are two indicators for me, indications on the chart that the price could move to the upside. So the first criteria for me is to have pattern formed in the direction of the trend, and that is here the price is formed just in the direction of the trend. We can see that. The next step would be to make the technical analysis, to put the horizontal support and resistance levels on the higher time frame. This will be on the weekly and the monthly, going down, going up, and then I will make also supply demand zones for the price to see how the price behaves, where the price could stop, where the price could retrace. So for example, this will be like this, making some kind of a support and resistance levels to see where the price could bounce, and also to make the technical analysis, which means a price action analysis, to see how the price behaves, how the price looks based on the candles I see on the market. Now, for example, this would be a very quick technical analysis where I can see that potential reversal zone has been formed just below this support level, and then we can see a stop loss would be just below this also support level. This stop loss, I would leave it like it is. It would be on the very good position, and there is also possibility to lower the risk, slightly go up, and then we can see the first take profit would be around this one here, just because when the price moves up, it always reaches this area. If the price goes up, I would like to reach the first take profit. Then I would move a stop loss just above the entry point, in case if the price goes against me, to close with a small profit, instead of waiting for the price to go all the way from being profit here to go to the negative. Then the second take profit would be around this one. I would slightly move it a little bit down, just because if the price goes above this resistance level, this will be indication that usually the price reaches this area here, where we can see on the technical analysis, this is the second resistance for the price. So I would like to reach my take profit before the price reaches this resistance as supply zone. That means if the price reaches that area very close, I would get out with the profit. So the price could return immediately back down, or it could move up, continue to rise in value, just in this case, for example. But I would make my take profit, increase the chance of being successful to be hit much more faster than waiting just above resistance. If it is above resistance, this means I'm waiting for the price again to find enough strength to go above resistance to reach my target. It is the best to reach your take profit before the price found strength. If it has strength, if the price has gone above this resistance level, that means the price have enough strength to reach the next resistance, and that means very close this one. So based on this one, I would also put rectangle that would show me what is the supply demand zone around this area. So based on this one, this would be like this, and this would be like this. So I would also put take profit here, the start of this supply zone, which means usually the price reach this area. That means for sure there is high chance for me that the price will reach the second take profit. So this is how I would play this one. If I have checked this one during the week. So if something happens, for example, like this one, I share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. You can see that here. This week I have seen that there was analysis from the week before. You can see it here. From the week before, I have checked USD against THB, and it was, we can see that on the right side, it was a bullish bad pattern that was in line with the trend. And what you can see here, it is a trend format on the 4-hour time frame. I have made the technical analysis. You can see here, it is the trend line, the blue line here. Then we have horizontal support and resistance levels, and we have here some kind of a yellow or orange area, which is a supply and demand zones. And then I have made the analysis where I have moved the stop loss slightly below support level. I have moved take profit and also second take profit just to be before the resistance levels visible here. So this is how the price has behaved. We can see that the price has formed here the potential reversal zone. You can see that here. This is the gray area. Then the price goes up, reached the first take profit. This one was here, the green line, and then the second take profit was very near to this one, second resistance level. I have moved this also slightly down. So this was a successful one based on the technical analysis and also based on the Harmonic step scanner. So this is the idea how it is, and also I share that during the week when there is some kind of analysis, some kind of a bad pattern that is in line with the trend. So for example, there is also traders that are asking some kind of questions here inside the Telegram group about their analysis and also what is their opinion. So you can also join if you would like, but it is only available for the gold members. If you would like, also you can check the link below in the description. So this is all for this week. We will see is there any kind of pattern format on the chart for the next week during the week when there is information from the scanner on the Telegram. So if you would like to check that, feel free to join. See you next time and happy trading.